Homemade super energy protein milk drink, no sugar and sweetener. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a homemade super energy protein milk drink. This is a delicious and healthy alternative to commercial energy drinks, free from sugar and artificial sweeteners. It's packed with natural ingredients like dried fruits, almonds, and milk, making it a great source of energy. Plus, it's incredibly easy to prepare, so let's get started. Recipe for energy drink: homemade super energy milk drink, no sugar, with step-by-step photos and a video. Basically, it's a straightforward milk product used to supplement or supply energy. Any energy drink is often created or made using artificial chemical components that include a significant amount of caffeine and may have negative health consequences. To give a quick supply of energy, this dish is made with natural components including dried fruits, milk, and almonds. There are a ton of trendy energy drinks on the market nowadays that promise to give you plenty of energy. To avoid damaging the healthy diet, one must be extremely cautious while using them, since they could be laden with extra sugar or artificial sweeteners. Energy milk drink is one of several naturally occurring and healthful drinks that not only boosts energy but also helps with digestion. This recipe is the easiest of all the energy-related dishes I've provided, including energy laddu and energy bars. The arrangement or form of the desserts is simpler than that of these lattice and bars. Simply combine the nuts and fruits to create a coarse energy powder. It is prepared for serving after being blended and cooked with full cream milk. You might be curious as to how this operates. Basically, the natural energy drink that is created at home is brimming with B vitamins like B6 and B12, which are critical for the metabolism of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins. In the long run, this aids in increasing alertness, focus, and decreasing symptoms of exhaustion. A small amount of coffee powder with caffeine can be added to this to increase its potency. To make it a natural healthy drink, I have omitted it. Additionally, some other relevant and significant hints, suggestions, and recommendations for the ideal energy drink formula. First off, I strongly advise making this dish with fresh whole milk or whole cream. Use soy milk or almond milk instead of cow's milk if you are allergic to dairy products. Second, you may add vanilla, chocolate, or even cinnamon to the beverage to give it additional flavor and spice. Ingredients: a quarter cup of almonds, a quarter cup of dried fruits. You can use dates, apricots, or figs. 1 cup of full cream milk. You can use soy or almond milk as alternatives. A pinch of coffee powder, optional, for extra energy. First, we'll start by preparing our energy powder. Take a quarter cup of almonds and a quarter cup of dried fruits of your choice. Places the almonds and dried fruits in a blender. Turning on the blender. Blend these until you get a coarse powder. This will be the heart of our energy drink. Pouring milk into a saucepan. Now, take a saucepan and pour in 1 cup of full cream milk. Remember, you can use soy or almond milk if you prefer. Next, add the energy powder we just made into the milk. Place the saucepan on low heat and stir the mixture continuously. We want it to blend nicely and thicken up a bit. Keep stirring for about 5 minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. If you want an extra kick, you can add a pinch of coffee powder for some caffeine. But today, we're keeping it natural. And there you have it, our homemade super energy protein milk drink, all ready to go. It's packed with B vitamins, great for energy and focus. Plus, it's a healthy alternative to those store-bought energy drinks. Delicious. You can also customize it by adding vanilla, chocolate, or cinnamon for extra flavor. Enjoy this drink as a quick pick-me-up anytime during the day. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more healthy and tasty recipes. Stay energized, stay healthy.